Good afternoon students. How are you all? Welcome to the online classes. Mehdi English School and myself Nilofer Miss, and this video is for the class 2 and this is the mathematics subject. So before starting the lecture we are thinking one quote. We are reading one quote and this is the quote of the day is old ways won't open new doors. What it means? It means old ways. So here the old ways we take as a classroom. Okay, old ways. In the old days you come to the school to learn, to study. But here that door is not open. So the new door is online classes. So old ways. So right now you can't come to the school. So you can't study. But the new door is open, which is online classes. So you have to accept this new door. So this is the quote. Old ways will not open new doors. Right. So please implement this. That don't accept ki you will come to the school in the classroom and then study. So here is the new way is online study. So please implement this. So first of all let's start the classes and we continue chapter number 2 only. So let's start it. Okay, then which topic we learned yesterday? Do you remember students? Which topic we discussed? Okay, here is the chapter 2 addition. Let's continue this chapter and here is the topic and this is the adding 3 one digit number with regrouping, and then we see example, then worksheet, and then we'll do exercise, textbook exercise. Okay, so let's go to the topic, adding 3 one digit number with regrouping. So this is our today's topic. See, this is regrouping to more than 10, right? This topic we discussed yesterday. So what is in this topic, do you remember? See, here is 7 plus 5, you can see this. So here the 7 you can see through this arrow, this is the 7 and this is the ones column. 7 plus 5, so 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, right? So here in the 12 this 2 number, and you can see here this tens column is empty, so you can put a 0 there if you want to write, and no need to write, but if you want to write you can write it. Now here you have to put this 1 as a carry forwarded on the tens place. Okay, this one you have to add on the tens place as a carry forwarded number. Okay students, now see, you can see this answer. Here your answer is 12. Let's see through the example. See this. Here I write some numbers, so you remember. So let's start through the example. So here I take one example so you can easily understood what we had learned yesterday. So here is 2 and 8. So here 2 and 8. So here this column is the ones column, and you can see here this tens column are empty. So let's count 2 plus 8. So how much it is 2 plus 8? So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So please write down this 10 outside the book and just check which value is at the ones place. So here 0 is at the ones place. So please write down 0 there and put this one number as a carry forwarded number as we written yesterday. Now here tens column is empty, so if you want to write 0 there, so you can write it. And as I said, if you want to add a 0 number in any digit, so answer will be as it is. Okay students, now see this, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So here is our answer. Which answer will come? Final answer. 1 plus 0 is equal to how much? 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, because if you want to add any digit in the 0, so answer will be as it is. So here we get this answer 10, right? So hope this concept is clear. There is no doubt in the previous lectures this topic we had learned yesterday this topic. Okay students, so this is the example, you can easily understood which digit goes where. So here is one more example. I take one more example to explain you. See, here is a 6 plus 6. So how much it is? Just write down the answer of it. Here 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So here tens place is empty. So you can write down 0 there. And 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Right. So here I write 12 and 2 is at the ones place. So you can write this 2 here as a ones place. Okay. And then this one will go as the carry forwarded number. Okay. Now again, we will add this one in the 0. So as I said, answer will be as it is. So here we get this answer 12. Right, students? So now hope you understood this. See, this is your textbook page. As I said, 7 plus 5 here answer is 12. See, there are no any value at the tens place, but therefore we write 1 at the tens place, right? So it's called regrouping more than 10. Okay. Now see here, answer is 12. Tens and ones are there, and answer is 12. You have to write down 12 answer here. Okay. So let's move for the next one. See this. Which is the next one? Here you also can see 3 plus 9. You can see here 3 plus 9 at the ones value. So how much it is? 3 plus 9. So 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So here in the 12, 2 is at the ones place. You can see here, and 12. So 1 is the tens place. So this one will go as a carry forwarded number. So here you have to this one add in the 2 number, and answer will come. Which answer will come? You have to write down 3 there, not a 2. If you write 2 there, your answer will be wrong. But here you can see through this arrow, here the answer is 3. So here is the answer 32. So this is our right answer. Okay, students. Now you can see this exercise 2C. So we had completed this exercise in the previous lecture, right? And hope there is no doubt in it, and you can easily solve this exercise by yourself, right? So this is the exercise we had done in the previous lecture. Now here this we are going to this topic, adding 3 one-digit number with regrouping. Let's go through it. What it means, adding 3 one-digit number. Okay, I'll show you through the example. Okay, let's see the example first. What is it means? That one 3-digit number. Here is 2, 5 and 3. See, you can see this. Here is 1-digit number, but the column is, in the column there are 3 numbers. So this is 1 3-digit number. Okay, hope you can see that 1 digit but 3 numbers are there. So 1 digit is 2, then 5 and 3. So this is the 3-digit, and 2, 5 and 3. This is the single digit. So it's called 1 3-digit number. You have to add and you have to do regrouping with it. Okay. So let's solve the example. See, here you have to add first 2 number to easily add. So here this 2 and 5 is the first one. So 2 plus 5 is equal to how much? So here 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So you have to write down this 7 here. Now the last digit is 3. So you have to add this 3 number into 7. So now count it together, 7 plus 3. So how much it is? 7 plus 3? Yes, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay. So write down this 10, and 0 is at the ones place. So write down 0. And this 1 will go as a carry forwarded number. But see here, the 10th column is empty again. So you can put a 0 there. So you can easily understood what I am trying to explain you. So now again 1 plus a 0. So answer will be as it is. So here we get this answer 10. Right. So this is the concept, adding 1 3-digit number. Okay. So hope there is no doubt in it. Let's go to take next example. Here is the example 5, 2 and 4. So write down 0 at the tens place and add the numbers. So here is the number 5, 2 and 4. So here is the number 5 and 2 is the first digit, right? So we add this 2 first digit, okay. So now how much it is? 5 plus 2. So it is 7 and you have to add 4 number to it. Now 7 plus 4 is equal to how much? So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. And now this one is at the ones place. So write down it at the ones place and other one will go as a tens place as a carry forwarded number. Now again 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So here is our answer 11. So this is the concept, adding one 3-digit number. This is the way to add. Now hope you can easily understood. You can add by yourself also. So this is very easy concept to you all. There is nothing hard in it. Okay. Now let's see. See, this is your textbook page and we complete this exercise 2C. And here is our today's topic, adding 3 one-digit number with regrouping. Okay students. Now here let's see some examples here. Okay, let's start. See here, you can see 5 plus 3 plus 6 is the example here. Now as I said, please you can easily, to make it easily, you have to add first 2 digit and also you can add last 2 digit also, okay. Which method you like, you can use it. Now here see this 5 and 3. Here 5 and 3, add this first 2 digit, add first. So here 5 plus 3 is equal to how much? You can see here 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 here. Now add this 6 number into this 8. This last 6 number have to add into this 8 number. So how much it is? 8 plus 6 is equal to how much? Which number will come? You can see this. The answer is 14 here, right? See this. You can see through the arrow. Arrow is moving there. So here we get this answer 14. Now see this. In the next method, you can add last 2 digit also, right? So here is 3 and 6. So 3 plus 6 is equal to how much? 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. You can see on the screen 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 here. Now the first digit is the 5. So you have to add this first digit into, see you can see this. This is the first digit we add here, right? So 9 plus 5 is equal to how much? See this, here is the answer same. Here is the answer 14 and see this, here is the answer 14. And now here we add last 2 digit first. Then also we get this number here 14. So here answer is same. Okay. So just check this. Always you get the same answer whenever you try this. Okay. Both the tricks try at your in the book and then check it if you get the same answer or not, and if you get not same answer then your answer will be wrong. Okay students. Now see this. Here is the one method. If you see that in the 3-digit sum there are 2 digits are same, you can see. So you have to add it first. So here you can see this. Here is 8 number is the same. This number is repeated. So add it first. 8 plus 8. So how much it is? 8 plus 8. Now 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 here. Okay students. Now you have to add 5 number into 16. So here 16 plus 5. This 5 number you have to add in the 16. So we get this answer 21 here. So this is the method. This is the another method. Whenever you see, let's see the example. So you can easily understood what I am trying to say you. Whenever you see there are 2 digits are same in the sum, so you have to add that number first. Okay, that number are same, so you have to add that number first. Okay students. So here you can see this. These 2 digits are same. Okay, I circle it 5 and 5. See this. These 2 digits are same, so you have to add this 2 digit first. Now here 5 plus 5 is equal to how much? 10, right? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, right? Because these two digits are same, so please add it first. Now here is the answer 10, and now this remaining 3 number add into the 3 number. So how much it is together? 10 plus 3, so it's a 13. Write down into your book how much it is. 10 plus 3. Please write down 0. If you can see this box is empty, so here we get this number 13. Now I write 0 at the tens places, so you can easily understood. Now this 3, okay, is at the ones place, so I write 3 at the ones place, so you can easily understood this. Here we get this answer 13, right? So 3 is at the ones place, I write 3 here, and this one number will go as the carry forwarded. Again 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So here we get this number 13. So this is the method you have to use whenever you see when two digits are same in the 3-digit sum. So please add that number first. Okay. So hope you understood very easily this thing. Right. See one more example. Here is 7 plus 2 plus 7. Okay. So here is the number 7 and 7 are same. Please write down 0 in the tens place because that place are empty. Now here you can see this two digits are same, and which is 7 and 7, right? So add this number first. 7 plus 7 is equal to how much? So 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Now add this 2 number which is remaining, and please add it. Now here 4 plus 2 is at the ones place, so it's equal to 6, and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now this 6 is at the ones place, so write down 6 here, and then this 1 will go as a carry forwarded number. Now 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay. So here is the answer we get is 16. See, this is very easy method. Whenever you check you find the number are same, please use this method. And now here we completed number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 explanation and example we completed. So are you waiting for the worksheet? Students, are you waiting for the worksheet? Now come on, take a book and pencil into your hand. Okay, so let's start the worksheet writing. Are you ready now? Have you enjoyed this worksheet? Okay, let's start the worksheet now. See, this is the worksheet here, adding 3 numbers. So please read this direction so you can easily understood what we had done in this worksheet. As I said, look for sums of 10 or doubles to help you add. As I said, whenever you see the numbers are same, okay, please add this first, okay, and then if there are none, if there are numbers are not same, okay, pick 2 number to add first. As I said, you can also take first 2 digit or last 2 digit, whatever you like. So and then the remaining number, okay, you have to add in that number, so you can easily do this addition, okay, and it will be not hard to you. So let's start addition. So the first number is 4 plus 5 plus 1. Here is the number 4 plus 5 plus 1. Okay students. Now let's start to solve it. 4 plus 5 plus 1. Now how much it is? Let's start add first 2 digit, which is 4 plus 5. Now it is 9. Okay, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. The last number, which is 1, just add into the 9. So the answer is 10. Just write down into your book 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 and add 1 number to it. So our final answer is what? Just write down into your book. Yes, 10. So write down 0, which is at the ones place, and this 1 will go as a carry forwarded number. Okay. Now here tens place is empty, so please write down 0 there, so you can easily understood. Now 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, so here is our answer 10. Okay, let's move to the next sum. See here 2 digits are same, you can see the 4 digit are repeating, So 4 plus 4 is equal to how much? Yes, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now add 3 number into it. So 8, then 9, 10 and 11. So here is our answer 11. So write down 1 which is at the 1 place here. Right. Please write down into your book first. Here is our answer 11. So write down 1 as the 1 place and other 1 will go as the carry forwarded number, and write down this 1 as a carry forwarded number which we add into 0. So we get this answer as it is 1 plus 0. Right. Let's move to the next one. Okay. Here we start adding with the last 2 digits. Here is the 7 plus 3. Last 2 digits. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now the first number is 2. Just add this 2 number into the 10. So our answer is 10 plus 2. So is equal to 12. Right. So in the 12, which number is at the ones place? Please write down this 12 into your book and check which number is at the ones place. And write down that ones digit here. Come on everyone, please write down into your book which digit is at the ones place. Come on, write it down. Yes, number 2 is at the 1 place and 1 will come as a carry forwarded number. And please write down 0 as I write in the first 2 sum. So here 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 because answer will be as it is when we add the number into the 0. Okay, so this is the answer. Let's move to the next sum which is number 4. Now here you can see there is the number are same. Number 2 are same. So let's add this number first. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And the remaining number 6 we add into this 4 number. Now 6 plus 4 is equal to how much? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So here in the 10, 0 is at the ones place and other one will go as a carry forwarded number. So as I write in the first 2 sum, write down 0 at the tens place and add into the 1. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So here is our answer 10. So hope you understood this. There is no any doubt into the worksheet, right? This is that much easy as I said. And the next sum, see this 7 plus 9 plus 2. So how much it is? 7 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to how much? Please count into your book that how much it is. What answer will come here? Please count into your book, students, then I will write the answer. Okay, write down your answer first, then I will write my answer here. So my answer is 18 and 1 will go as a carry forwarded number. As I write in the first 2 sum 0, write down 0 here and add this one number into 0. So here answer will be as it is 1. So the final answer is 18. You can see on the screen. Right, and this is very easy, students. You can solve the rest of the worksheet, rest of the sums by yourself also. So you can see this, right, and this is very easy, students. Okay, now this rest of the sum please do into your book, write into your book by yourself. Okay, now let's move to the textbook exercise. So this is your exercise textbook. Exercise 2A, 2B and 2C we had done. Now we are going to learn exercise 2D. So see this number 1, add the following and look for a 10. Okay, we have to write down answer for a tens also as we learn. Okay, so here is number A, sum number A. So here we add first 2 number. So here in the number A, the first 2 digit is 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and the last digit is also 6. So how much it is? 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. In the 12, 2 is at the ones place and other one will go as a carry forwarded number. So here please write down 0 there which box is empty. So here 1 plus 0 and the number will be as it is. So write down 1 here as it is and we get this number 12. Okay. Just write down. So here is our answer. Now number B. Here is the number B. See this. Here we add last two digit 8 plus 3. So how much it is? 8 plus 3. After 8 count 3 more number. 9, 10 and 11. Into 11 add this 7 number. So 11 plus 7 is equal to how much? Just count into your book, students. Please write down your answer. 18. So here is 8 is at the ones place and other one will go as a carry forwarded number, and write down this number as it is because these boxes are empty. So here is our answer 18, and rest of the sums please do by yourself. Okay students, let's move to the next sum. Next question number 2. Add into two ways. As I said, just one sum do with the two methods. Okay, write with two methods. In the number A, here is we add first two digit and which is 6 plus 2. So here 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now the last digit is 7. Just add these two digits together. 8 plus 7. Now how much it is? 8 plus 7 is how much? Just write down the ones number here. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 and add this 7 number into 2, 8. So this is the answer is 15 and 5 is at the ones place. So write down 5 and 1 as a carry forwarded and write down this one as it is here. So here the first sum we get the answer is 15. Now for the next sum, add last two digit first. Here is 2 and 7. So 2 plus 7 is equal to how much? Count 2 number after 7, 8 and 9. Now into this 9 add this 6 number which is the first digit. Now 6 plus 9 is equal to how much? 15. So here write down 5 at the ones place and ones at the carry forwarded. So here we get this number 15. So you can see this, we get the same answer. So other sum please do by yourself and please keep this in your mind. Answer will be same. Otherwise your sum will be wrong. Okay students, so this is the way. Okay, hope you can easily understood. Let's move to the next sum. So here circle the doubles. So here you can see this in the sum number A, this 3 is the same number. So please add this repeating number first. So which is 3 plus 3? Now 6. 3 plus 6 is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now in the 6 add this the number 9 which is our first digit. So 6 plus 9 is equal to how much? Just write down into your book which is the ones value. 5 is the ones value and ones, and the number 1 will go as a carry forwarded and write it is as it is. So here is our answer 15. Okay, hope there is no doubt into it. Okay students, now see this number B, C and D. Here also you can see some numbers are repeating. Okay, so you can also do these sums by yourself only without taking help of others. Okay, now here number B. Here number 4 is same. So 4 plus 4 8 and 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. You can see 6 is at the ones place and 1 will go as a carry forwarded. So here we get this number 16. Okay, now we complete this first number, second number, example, worksheet and also exercise. Right students? So thank you for listening me and please write down this worksheet into your book. Okay students, hope you enjoy this. Bye.